I believe. Well, look at this. Look at this. It's a scorpion, guys. Check that out. Oh, it's so cool. I don't want to get stung by one, but daggone, man, that is amazing. What? Hold on a sec. Ugh. Come on, guy. Crazy, right? Well, that means something. So there was a frog. There's a story about a frog and a scorpion, and the scorpion wanted to get across the river, and I don't even know why I'm saying this, but the scorpion wanted to get across the river, and so he pleaded with the frog that the frog would put the scorpion on his back, or her back, or whatever, you know, and the frog says, "But you'll sting me." And the scorpion's like, "No, I won't sting you." And so the frog, you know, put the scorpion on his back and swam across the shore to the other shore. And then the scorpion stung the frog, killed it. And as the frog was dying, it said, "But you told me that you wouldn't sting me." And the scorpion said, "Yes, but you should have known I was a scorpion. And it's in my nature to sting." I guess for me, that means I need to know